location of this paradise is unknown to us. The Quran did not reveal it, and the commentators shared 5 different opinions. Some said that it was the paradise of our refuge and that its place was heaven. Others regretted that statement because if it was the paradise of refuge, Iblis would have been forbidden admission and disobedience would have been forbidden as well. Still others said that it was another paradise that was created by Allah for Adam and Eve. A 4th group said it was a paradise on the earth located in a high place. Another group of commentators accept what was in the Quran without questioning where this paradise was located. We agree with this last opinion as the lesson we learn from its location